Use olive oil for natural remedies. Olive oil is a versatile oil and is rich in omega-3. As cooking oil, it adds great flavor to a variety of dishes, from Italian sauces to grilled entrees. The great thing about olive oil is that it can also be used for a variety of natural remedies outside of the kitchen. Here are some ways you can use olive oil for natural remedies. Use as a moisturizer. One of the most common uses of olive oil is to slather it on the skin as a moisturizer. It's better than many commercial lotions because it is easily absorbed by the skin and it doesn't contain any chemicals. Use it all over your body, especially the hands and feet. You may also use it as an exfoliant by adding half a cup of sugar granules to the oil and rubbing it on your body. Use as a hair conditioner. Give yourself a hot oil treatment using olive oil. Massage a generous amount of olive oil on your hair and scalp and cover with a shower cap. Leave on for at least 15 minutes or longer. When you're done, rinse well. You'll get stronger, shinier, and healthier hair strands. For little kids suffering from head lice, apply a generous amount on their hair and scalp and leave on for half an hour. It should resolve the head lice problem in no time. Just be sure to rinse well. Use on the nails to strengthen it. If you have dry brittle nails, apply a few drops of olive oil directly on the nails and cuticles. Make your own chest decongestant. In a saucepan, sauté 1 small chopped onion, a teaspoon of curry and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. When the onions are well cooked, eat the entire sauté. Use to relieve joint pain and use as an overall body tonic. Make a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Drink the entire beverage. It will help decrease inflammation in the body. Drink olive oil to relieve constipation. If you need help in the bathroom, drink a tablespoon of olive oil twice a day. Take on in the morning and another tablespoon at night time. You may also choose to make the orange juice with olive oil drink as an alternative. Use it to relieve body aches. In a small microwave-safe dish, heat 1 cup of olive oil. Massage it onto your body. If you have access to a steam room or sauna, massage the heated oil on your muscles. Let the heat of the steam room help you relax even further. Not only will your aches go away, you'll also have soft, smooth skin. Use as a diaper cream. If your newborn is suffering from diaper rash, You can get rid of it naturally using olive oil mixed with a bit of water. Apply the emulsion directly to your baby's bottom. If your infant has cradle cap, you can use a few drops of olive oil directly on your baby's scalp. Massage for a bit, then rinse by shampooing it off. Use extra virgin olive oil whenever possible. You'll never run out of uses for this miracle oil.